A bird entered the room or the house from a hole in the wall. And then she started flying around the room. She realized that she could not go out of the home. She forgot from which hole she entered into the home. She kept flying, got tired, fell on the floor and died. Since our birth, we are totally unconscious. We have entered into the big room that is the entire world. But not aware of the world, do not know the exact nature of the world, nor we know who we are. And then we keep on running after one thing or the other. We do not ask the question who we are before we enter into the world, even after this maturity. So that pleasure-seeking mind to avoid the pain and the suffering continues. We were like any other living species, and this was until the intellect started asking the questions. We asked the questions, who criticized me, who is enemy, who is my friend, who are my relationship, but we do not ask who we are. We enter into this world of the people, place, object, and the time, then we keep running in the world seeking pleasures of all kinds. We never think about what happiness and peace are and where they are located. If they are located in the world, on any object or a person or a thing, no issue. So we are running in the direction where peace and happiness, love and wisdom are not located. That is misunderstanding, wrong notion, is known as ignorance in Eastern wisdom. So it causes the ignorance. Then we suffer, grieve, and stressed. We are fully busy. For what in the world? We overwork for what in the world? We marry to be happy, and then we divorce to be happy. So happiness are not located in the marriage. Happiness is also not located in the divorce. But we keep on running. We become old. We become old. Symbolically, the bird which was constantly flying inside the house wants to get out of it. That is what we are doing. The entire journey of the Eastern wisdom or meditation or mindfulness or any practice aims at understanding and knowing and discovering who we are. If we do not ask these big questions, happiness cannot be achieved. Peace cannot be achieved.